Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Update the watch OS, charge it above 50%, and confirm health and location permissions. Once done, put the watch snug on your wrist and open the workout app. Choose Outdoor Run, then decide a goal, distance, time, or none, and tap Start. Make sure GPS is fully acquired before you move. Calibrate quickly with a 20-minute walk or run if you haven't already. This improves pace and distance accuracy for future runs. Once underway, focus on consistent tracking. Make sure auto pause is on to stop timers at traffic, and enable heart rate and pace alerts so you get immediate feedback. Adjust the watch face or workout view to show pace, distance, cadence, and heart rate. That keeps information readable at a glance. If you want higher accuracy, connect a Bluetooth footpod or chest strap before the run. Also, manage power saving. Turn it on only if you need extended battery life, because it may reduce GPS sampling. You finish by ending the workout with a swipe and save. Perform a short cool-down walk if you track heart rate recovery. Once saved, review the summary on your watch, then open the fitness app on your iPhone to see detailed splits, elevation, and heart rate zones. If you use third-party apps, make sure they have permission to read workouts so data syncs automatically. If data is missing or GPS looks wrong, restart the watch. Toggle Bluetooth and location services, and resync the health app to recover lost metrics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.